Hello, Shorewood-Troy Public Library patrons. This is Melissa from the reference desk. And since our website got a little updated, I'm here to just show you a refresher on how to register for events. So if you're not sure about what type of programs we're offering right now while the library is closed to patrons, you can go up to programs and look at our adult and teen virtual programs or our children's programs. And then what you'll want to do is click on events, and that's going to open up a whole new page for us. And it will open up the calendar. You can limit that calendar by age group or type of events. You can even search for the name of the event. Okay. Once you decide on your event, you're going to go ahead and, like I'm hovering over Silent Book Club here, and click register. Okay. And up pops the registration box. Anything that has a red asterisk next to it, you do have to fill in. So if I fill in Melissa and reference, okay. We do need, because it is a Zoom invite, you will need to put in your email address. You do need to put in a phone number. Okay. Then you select the age group. Okay. How did you hear about this program? And then lastly, you just click register. And then what will happen, you will get an email confirming your registration. And then before the event, you will get an email with the Zoom meeting information from the programmer who's in charge of the event. Okay. I hope you're staying happy, healthy, and safe. And as always, you can reach out to us if you need more help.